Morning, everyone. Today is Friday, October the 7th. We're in the Big Bend region. This is about 1 week post Hurricane Ian. Water temperatures, or the air temperatures, have been extremely cool for this time of year. We've been having some nice cool nights. Got the flutter kick right through here. We've had some 50-degree nights, so it's cooled the water temperature down for us in this region. Uncharacteristically cool for this time of year. Got bait busting, nice, slick, calm conditions. Got an incoming tide. It's 9:30 right now till a little after lunch. So hopefully we'll get after them this morning. So a little shallow out this morning. We're gonna try this grass line a little bit further down. Did you see that, bro?
Yeah, I'm watching now. Where's that, dolphin?
Gotta be. Huge explosion. We got a dolphin coming straight at us. You see him, right? See this dolphin right here? He's coming straight to me. All right, we got a dolphin out here, guys. It's not good for the home team. I mean, we love dolphins, but not when we're trying to fish, because they're fishing too. He's coming straight at you, bro. He's right there. I got fish running away from him too, so. You better push him off with your paddle. He going to check you out, dog. There he is. Bull red. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Come on, baby. Woo! Come on, son. Get right there in my net. Oh, oh, he won't fit the net. Nope. Ah, come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Hey. Whew. That's a good one. Yeah, a big one. On the paddle tail this time. Yeah. gonna be 20. 21. On 1/19. Bro, what kind of fishing is this, bro? I catch a fish, you come right in front of me? So, huh? Oh. We're drifting in a good drift. If we just keep like paddling out this way, Sergio, and letting it drift us back towards the coastline like that, that's good. That's what you want.
I'll let you get front back.
Are you good, man? Fish right however you want to. I just got to get where I can cast and not over you. I ain't like that, I promise. There's plenty of area. Just don't want to get our lines crossed, you know. Candace will get right up here on top of me. One day she caught a big old bull red about 30 inches. He gone. He wrapped up my line and everything. About broke my hand, literally. I felt that one thump it, and then I just set the hook, dude. There he is. You miss him? I just missed a trout too right here at the boat. I don't know. Like a trout. Well, I missed that one. My battery died. It's alright. I got another battery I'm about to switch out. Nice little gator right here. I'm hoping he's like 19. Perfect. That's probably all the filming today, guys. Oh, dang it, wasn't recording. Keep missing them. The recording part anyway. Perfect. Redfish. settle for a second. Pop it, pop it. Just like that, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, man, I'm catching off this. See how there's an oyster bar right there? That's where all the bait fish would be. And off of this point where there's a little bit of current going on. Yeah, I think this is like number 5 right here. There you go, anchor up right there. Oh, the reds are definitely chewing today, guys. I mean, cast after cast right here. They're all about the same size, anywhere from that 20 to, I don't know, just under slot to barely slot. Which I'm not complaining. It's been a good day so far. I did catch a really big one, obviously early in the day, but he was a little deeper. But right off this point and off this grass line, it says water temperature is dropping. They're in here on this high tide looking for bait fish off these oyster bars. And man, what a day. Oh, what a beauty. Come on. All right, here goes. You seen it here first. Look at that beautiful fish. This is what we came for. This is why we took off work today. To catch these beautiful redfish. There he goes. Oh guys, I think this is probably like number 10 for today. Let's see what I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. How about that? Getting low on battery, so I'm trying to save the battery till I hook up. But I mean, to be real honest with you, hadn't had very much luck on the artificial, mainly because I've been fishing with shrimp and pinfish. Just because that seems like what they wanted. So, another beautiful fish. Ah, buddy. All right. See if I can do it again, guys. Let's see if there's another one. Right out there, that creek mouth. There he is. There he is. Another good fish, guys. Another good redfish. Try to get him out of this grass. Oh no. He's right in the grass. See if I can horse him through. Oh, come on, baby. Horse him through this grass. Come on. There we go. Got him through. Okay. All right, another nice red, guys. I mean, to be honest, it has just been the day to catch reds. I mean, these aren't huge. I did catch, like I said in the beginning of the video, I caught a, well, you'll see a pretty good, nice, I don't know, it's a pretty good size red. I mean, he's definitely a keeper size. So if you're looking for the slots, you know, these are usually better eating fish, in my opinion. Everybody has their own opinion, but the really, really big ones are mostly head mass and stomach. I mean, you don't get a ton more meat, but this seems to be tastier for me, for my liking. So just right over a slot is good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. There's another beautiful fish. Might be the same one, who knows? If they're that dumb, then oh well. Oh, guys, they are stacked. Tried to revive him. I didn't do too good of a job there. All right, let's try one more time. See if we can hook up one more time. And I'm almost out of film, almost out of battery. But it's been a great day. I'll probably catch a lot more fish off camera. I am going tomorrow in a different location. Probably fish the same way, but I'm gonna go tomorrow to a different spot and probably film there too. And it's my first time filming, so I apologize if it's terrible. Oh, there he is. Hold on. So anyways, I'm gonna go tomorrow, try to get some film, spot them both together, make a video so everybody can see pretty much what's going on. Nothing special today. Obviously popping cork on a 2-foot leader. And just like that, guys, every single cast, almost every single cast, it's crazy. It's so fun. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah, it's a pretty good one here. Let's loosen this jag a little bit. Yeah, every single cast, guys, every single cast. These reds are on fire today. Man, what an awesome day of fishing. Just don't get no better. Don't get no better. Make sure I'm recording this. I am recording this. Okay. He's kind of, sorry for the shaky film. Is he off? Nope, he's still on there. Look at that thing. Oh, it's a sheep's head. It's a sheep's head. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Whoo, yeah. Oh, what a slab, bro. I caught a sheephead. Holy crap, dude, what a slab. Yeah, guys, I had no idea what I had. I thought I just caught another rat red. Turns out, it's bad boys. Awesome, look at that. Whoo, what a slab. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We eating good tonight, boy. We eating good tonight. It's my favorite fish, guys. I love to eat this fish. Look at those teeth.